Ka jingsim kia jong khubor Pulit bani kon persya yaw drugs hapok jela kala nang yang bet nang kapor sakapor daga balaj rong syagi silap jaka pule bat kiwe jaka ban pensung thu pai ba lengba ka awareness program baw drugs udi ujingdi ubo persniu om tang yaw nong di henry persniu lang ya kem lang salang lengba ki kam sniu ki bami naw nong di drugs Hagane kesini kita mentah khubor Pulit ke jela kita perlong ya ke awareness program ha Union Christian College Umiam Haribo District dah ke khot badwer ya ke kena pule jong ki lai teli ki silam aj hikai ki badan hagane ka than ki bakentup ya ke James Memorial Higher Secondary School nanta ke sen franchise di ICC Higher Secondary School bat ke Union Christian Higher Secondary School ke belongkum ke wai na ki jingsim bentah ha ke G20 ha ke ba Dr. LR Bishnoi udi Director General of Police ke jela ulawan poe ke singi kum kongsan nanta ha ke jing dalang jong ki Pulit nari Bhoi ki bakentup nadu Shri Giri Prasad Obri Superintendent of Police ke Bhoi District lembat ki police officer hadin ka awareness program ka kanhon SF10 Commando jong ki kentai kilap ni hikmat jong ki khena school bat ki nongsha khot sngewbha da ka Megha Shakti drill ka balongkum ki jing ai man sim ye ki khena pule ban rong sha ka kam Pulit
Any chemical substance which can change the function of your nervous system is a drug. And why it is known as narcotic drugs? Because the drugs is derived from the plants. And there are 3 plants on this planet from which drug is derived. First is poppy plant. Opium poppy. Second is cannabis plant, also known as hemp. And third is coca plant. And where coca plant is found? Any idea? Coca plant is not found in India. Anybody has any guess where it is found? Mainly it is grown in the South American countries or so-called Latin America like Mexico, Colombia, Brazil, Argentina, Paraguay, Uruguay. These are the Latin American countries where the coca plant is grown. So from coca plant, cocaine is made. From the poppy plant, opium is made. And from the cannabis plant, we get it cannabis or marijuana, or in common parlance it is known as ganja. Okay, but you might be thinking why administration is not destroying all these plants and control the problem forever. It's not possible. Even if you destroy, you might be under the impression that when the police are seizing various kinds of drugs, many of them are synthetic drugs like amphetamine tablets, like lysergic acid diphenolate, All these are synthetic drugs which can be easily manufactured in the laboratories. For them, you need not to depend on the plant sources. And this problem is not only in India, not only in Meghalaya, not only in Northeast, but it is a worldwide problem. It's a global problem. In America, in states, highly developed states like America, nearly 1 lakh people are losing their lives every year to the drug use. So this is a very, very serious problem. So when we think of the reasons why students are falling prey to the drugs, why they are taking drugs. I am not saying that students here in the UCC are taking drugs, but you must be aware how we can prevent this problem. So that our MSS officer has given you some presentation and shown you some slides where the reasons were described why the youth are taking drugs. So first reason is the peer group pressure. Peer group means the pressure from your friends, pressure from the students. So when you select the friends, please be careful that good friends and nice youth are selected. If anybody is a spoiled brat and if you make him a close friend, then he will influence your behavior and tempt you for drugs and other things. Second is curiosity. Some students are curious, let us check it, what is this? And once you take it, it's very difficult to come out of it. Because the drugs like heroin, you require very, very small doses, 150 milligram only in one dose. And if any youth takes 3 doses, 150 milligram, 150 milligram, 150 milligram, in total 450 milligram, that is less than half a gram. After taking those 3 doses, the youth will become addict permanently, and then it will be.
As I would say, prevention is better than cure. Right? Prevention is better than cure. Now there are different types of drugs. I will not go into the details of each and every one, as our respected SP has mentioned. Confiscation of heroin, confiscation of marijuana, confiscation of cocaine, many different types of drugs, right? But as you can see, there are 3 very important categorizations of drugs. Stimulants, you have to be very careful. For those of you who are aspiring sportsmen also, you may feel the need of being induced into taking stimulants to make yourself physically stronger, to make yourself physically fitter, right? And then that becomes a habit. Right. That's why our sportsmen also are very much, young sportsmen and women are very much under the danger of being exposed to this menace because of the physical consequences that it provides. Right? Depressants, those who are eating too much, either mentally or physically, tend to overuse drugs. And of course, those who do it for fun, hallucinations, it produces chemicals in your body and you become addicted without even much realizing. Alright. So be aware of these 3 categories. Okay. Now, although alcohol is not categorized as a drug, but we find abuse of alcohol can also lead to addiction and other consequences and other health conditions. So you have to be careful with not only drugs but also alcohol. And we know that it has a lot of consequences and a lot of ill health effects in our bodies. Our kidneys and our liver are not meant to absorb so much of foreign substances. It is meant to process food. It is meant to process solids and liquids that will nourish our body's mind and soul. But an overuse of this, an over abuse of this will lead to a lot of ill health, especially concerning your internal organs. So please be careful, especially now that you are still very much in your youth and your internal organs are still developing. Right? You have to be very, very careful. Recently, just 2 weeks ago, we had observed the word no tobacco day. So you have to be careful that even an overuse of tobacco as well can lead to abuse. Right? And these are very, very graphic images, but it is only to serve people as example that at this very early stage you have to stay away from abuse of these substances. In fact, here at Christian College, along with the village model, that has taken a pledge and taken a step that we will make this campus and the nearby villages tobacco free. Right? Especially India has a long history. Governments had narcotic policy even during the pre-British era. However, they have utterly failed to control the masses. It is basically due to lack of awareness among general public about the impact of drug abuse and involvement of unscrupulous politicians and businessmen and sometimes faulty narcotic policies. It is high time for all responsible stakeholders of our society to join hands together to control this great social peril. I hope that this program will be able to spread the message successfully in our society. Once again, I would like to thank the organizers of today's program and wish all success with this.